As you can see, I've been flying the Mini 3 a lot. But today is not about the drone, it's everything that goes with it. To me, drone accessories come in 4 parts. I've got the controller and screen, power items, camera accessories, and everything else. Mini 3 with the DJI RC, it's still our most selling option. But personally, I went with the N1 controller, which I use with a tablet holder and my iPad Pro. So if you got the N1 controller from your Air 2S or Mini 2, now considering a Mini 3, you can definitely save a couple $100s by keeping your N1 controller and buy just the standalone Mini 3. I also have RC Pro controller. With the most recent firmware update, the RC Pro controller is now compatible with Mini 3. So if you're like me using the Mavic 3 as your primary filming drone and Mini 3 as a backup, then the RC Pro is a great option. The first accessory after controller is always Fly More combo because it's more than just batteries. For Mini 3, it comes with 2 additional batteries, a multi-battery charging hub, and a carrying case. But the charging hub doesn't come with power supply. So if you want to charge it at a faster speed, make sure you get the PD-rated power supply, which stands for power delivery. And same applies to your USB Type-C cable, also needs to be PD-rated. What I did like about the charging hub is the indicator. You can tell when it's charging at the slower speed and faster speed. The primary function on the drone is the camera. For camera accessories, I've got the usual lens cleaning kit, and for drone videos, ND filter is a must. For Mini 3, the set comes in ND 16, 64, and 256. I also carry a memory card case with me for multiple cards. I prefer to swap them while I'm changing the battery. Call me crazy, I just don't like to put all my eggs in one basket. Now, what else do I got? Da-da-da-da! If you're extra adventurous like me who like to go off the grid, then this is a great power option. And landing pad. Whoa! This was our older landing pad when I was flying bigger drones. It was great when you have higher clearance, but it's got a soft surface. For Mini, you need something solid. And portable. So this folding one is great for any uneven surface. So that's all the accessories to do my drone magic. I hope they're helpful to you. And to support AlteX, I left our affiliate links in the video description down below. Like, subscribe, see you in the next video.